Hey y'all, quick story time. So I went from free flowing microlocs to braided base to crochet. And baby, this was a journey. This is how my hair looked before I started. I wanted a different look for my birthday. Y'all can understand that, right? I hope so. And as always, my sister is here for it. Understanding my vision and everything that I had for this install, she began to braid my hair down in a circle because that crochet has to lay what? Right. And I have a lot of microlocs, y'all. So this takes a long time. And don't judge these braids. Do not be sitting out there being judgy with your judgy faces. But then we got into this hair. We started picking colors and we planned the blend together. And I'm not going to lie. At this point, I was like, oh, this is about to be cute. So she started with the base color. And that base color is going to be like that dark burgundy, the darkest color that you see there, right? And then she's going to add the lighter color for the dimension. And I'm telling you, the dimension was there, the color story was there, and I was super excited. But then when this install was complete, baby, this is what it looked like. I was shocked. However, it was big, but it was not bad. It was just a lot of hair and it needed some shaping. So that's what she did. She trimmed it, she molded it, she tried to bring all the shape to it that she could, and it worked with all the mousse and everything. However, the next day is the problem. I woke up the next morning and the mousse had dried and it did not hold the same look that it did from install day. So I went ahead and took it out. That's all I could do. I learned a lot from this one, especially about matching the hair and especially about that hair volume. My sister did her thing and now I know what to do the next time. But if y'all want me to run it back with different hair, say less.